So, as you can see here, I went to court September 18, 2023. So, according to my attorney here, she says, "Hi, Andrew. Thanks for going to court to sign the papers. I just filled everything to request an extension, right? An extension, right? Because it's, on the second message here, you see it says October 31st, right? At 9:30 a.m. is when I had to go to court to speak to the judge. So, when I went to court, the attorney wasn't there. Only her assistant that I spoke to. So I went there and I spoke to her assistant, and she went over the papers. Like, one of the reasons why I can't move out, there's this apartment that my mom had rented out. Well, and even though she passed away, right on January 29, 2022, right at 8:45 p.m. I still had to sign the lease. But even though I didn't pay for this place, I signed the lease. What, June 7th, 2023. Um, but anyway, I noticed that the longer I stay in this situation, the people around me, including the attorney here, their intelligence just devolve. It seems logic doesn't apply to this situation here. I don't see no logic in this human being's response, right? She's telling me you definitely need to start looking for a new place as soon as you start to feel better. But the place that I'm looking for, as you can see here, would be a shared house, right? I mean a shared room, a shared room. I'm sharing just a shared room, and there's no lease or deposit fee or anything. No, there's none of that. See, that's what it says. No lease or broker fees, and it's available October 12th, 2023. Now, right now, think about it. How would I be able to just find a place like that when the purpose of me going to the court, right? Going to court October 31st, 2023 at 9:30 a.m., right, is to tell the judge the reason why I need to stay here in this apartment longer, right? And one of the reasons why is because of my left testicle. I had surgery on August 22nd, 2023. And my mom, according to the papers that the lawyer's assistant, the attorney's assistant, had gone over with me, she's also mentioned that my mom passed away, and I'm also a full time college student. Even though I never told this attorney here that I'm texting that I'm a full time college student, so it wouldn't make sense to just rent a room, rent out a room when I'm not going to be in the room, since all my personal belongings is still going to be in my mom's apartment. It wouldn't make sense to do that. Just move into some room, just start paying what, $850 or 1,000. It wouldn't really make sense. This doesn't make any sense. She's not thinking. Does that really make sense? It doesn't make sense. You should start. There's no way I can move out of this apartment when I'm supposed to be talking to the judge, because moving out of this apartment means I'm evicted. I'm getting evicted means I had to move out. They don't want me here no more. But the purpose of me going to the court is to actually request an extension. Is to, yeah, get an extension. Stay here at least 2 months more until I find a place, and that's it. I can leave. It seems like this person is not thinking logically, and the reason why she speaks this, the reason why she's speaking this way towards me is to induce stress. So this means I'm being targeted by my attorney. This is the same attorney from September 16, 2022, the Friday. So I had created a video. If you look through my videos, I had talked about how the attorney, this same attorney that my cousin, who also had an attitude towards me, she's in her early 70s, and her name is Junie, and she told the attorney that I have some sort of cognitive impairment, and that's what the judge says. I mean, that's what this attorney said to the judge, that I have cognitive impairment, and there's something wrong with my my brain, or neurologically there's something wrong with me, and that's why I can't speak to the judge. Yet I have to go to the court to speak to the judge on October 31st, 2023, and October 31st is the day of my mom's birthday, even though she passed away. Now you see how it works here, right? The situation. This program is putting me in a situation where I can feel stressed out and not know what to do. On top of being a full-time college student, taking 16 credits worth of courses during my senior year of college, it's trying to get me worn out. I can't really. I feel like I'm struggling with school now, keeping up with my assignments, knowing that all these occurrences are taking place at the same time. It's to overwhelm me. So I'm thinking about this situation and I said, "Oh, shush, this you see what I'm talking about?" So I had created a video back in November 23rd, 2019, and I had mentioned that the program wanted me here so it can isolate me, right? Wanted me in this apartment so it could put me in a predicament. Like for example, it's already putting me in a situation where I had to start looking for my own place, and I don't even have. I've been attending college since September 10th, 2019, before I even moved to this apartment on November 16th, 2019. So it's November 16th, 2019 as a Saturday. All right. I've been in school doing all, I've been in school for since I started community college, right? Since my freshman year, right? This has been going on for a long time. So obviously, I don't have no money to saved up. I mean, besides my financial aid, that's nothing. Compared to what I've now, $7,000. It's going to be nothing, because a few months, I have a couple of months. How many? I'm supposed to graduate, what? Probably July or August of 2024. If I pass my classes, if I can, manage, knowing that I'm being put in this type of predicament. Ridiculous. This is the most absurd situation I've ever seen in my whole entire life. It's getting worse. The more I concentrate on my schoolwork, the worse my living conditions get, and also my environment. Wow, this is ridiculous. It's putting me through all this trouble. And it feels like targeting me. Now, completely targeting me at this time, not giving me a chance to think. It's a crazy, and I have more to say about my sister too. There's a lot. So all right, this is it for this recording. Thanks for watching.